Still pouring the wrong oil into your engine? That mistake could cost you thousands. In this video, we reveal the top 5 best motor oils of 2025 to keep your engine running like new. Let's dive in. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic. Made from natural gas using Pennzoil's patented Pure Plus technology, this oil delivers unbeatable cleanliness and protection for modern engines. Pros: made from 100% natural gas. Exceeds industry standards. API SN+. ILSAC GF6A. Keeps pistons up to 65% cleaner than required. Excellent low-temperature performance. Why it's great. Perfect for late-model cars that need 0W20. It maximizes fuel economy and gives exceptional engine cleanliness, one of the cleanest oils available. Number 2. Valvoline Extended Protection Full Synthetic. Designed for longer drain intervals and advanced wear protection, this oil is engineered for hard-driving vehicles and stop-and-go traffic. Pros: enhanced wear protection for modern engines. Anti-corrosion additives for longer engine life. Great for turbocharged and high-mileage engines. Meets or exceeds Dexo's 1 Gen 3 standards. Why it's great. If you push your engine hard or want long-lasting protection, this is a solid choice. Trusted by professionals and DIY mechanics alike. Number 3. Valvoline Restore and Protect Full Synthetic. This new formulation not only protects, but helps restore lost horsepower by cleaning engine deposits and reducing friction. Pros: designed to restore aging engines. Powerful detergents clean sludge and deposits. Full synthetic formulation for long drain intervals. Ideal for vehicles with over 75,000 miles. Why it's great. If your engine feels sluggish or is showing its age, this oil can breathe new life into it. Great for older cars that need a little TLC. Number 4. Castrol Edge Euro 5W30A3/B4. Castrol Edge Euro is built for high-performance European engines. It offers superior film strength with fluid titanium technology. Pros: perfect for BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and VW engines. Meets ASIA A3/B4 and API SN/CF specs. Exceptional high temp and high load performance. Reduces metal-to-metal contact under pressure. Why it's great. Engineered for extreme performance. If you own a European car or turbocharged vehicle, this oil provides elite protection even under max stress. Number 5. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40. Rotella T6 is a full synthetic diesel oil loved by truckers, off-roaders, and even motorcyclists. Built tough for heavy-duty engines. Pros: designed for diesel and high-load gas engines. Superior wear protection under heavy loads. Excellent soot control. Works in extreme cold and heat. Why it's great. If you drive a pickup, RV, or turbo diesel, Shell Rotella T6 is one of the most trusted oils in the industry. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. From commuter cars to diesel workhorses, choosing the right motor oil can mean the difference between engine problems or engine performance. All 5 of these are trusted, top-rated, and fully synthetic, so you can pour with confidence. Like this video if it helped, comment your favorite brand below, and subscribe for more honest product reviews and car tech upgrades.